How to rotate your survival foods to avoid waste. Proper management of survival food is essential to avoid spoilage and ensure readiness in emergencies. Rotating your supplies systematically not only prevents waste, but also keeps your stockpile effective and safe. Do you want to learn about 126 superfoods that you can store without refrigeration for years? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Here are the tips to rotate your survival foods to avoid waste. 1. Use the FIFO method, first in, first out, FIFO, is critical. Always consume older items before newly acquired ones. This ensures nothing expires unnoticed and reduces waste. 2. Label and date everything, mark each item with purchase and expiration dates. Clear labeling allows quick identification of foods that need to be used first. 3. Conduct regular inventory checks, check your survival foods every few months. Inspect packaging, note expiration dates, and replace items as needed to keep your stockpile current. 4. Integrate into daily meals, occasionally use stored foods in regular meals. This keeps your stock rotating naturally and prevents stagnation, while maintaining freshness. 5. Store strategically, place items with sooner expiration dates in front and long-term supplies at the back. Easy access supports rotation and prevents forgotten items. 6. Control storage conditions, keep foods in a cool, dry, and dark environment. Proper storage slows degradation and extends shelf life, making rotation more effective. Knowing how to rotate your survival foods to avoid waste is essential for long-term preparedness. By using FIFO, labeling clearly, performing inventory checks, integrating foods into meals, storing strategically, and controlling conditions, you protect your supplies from spoilage and ensure you are always ready when emergencies strike. Proper rotation transforms a stockpile into a reliable and sustainable resource. Do you want to learn about 126 superfoods that you can store without refrigeration for years? With these lost superfoods in your pantry, you'll be able to keep your family well fed during the darkest of times. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.